It used to be the site of the Marie Callender's. July of 2023 is when they actually leveled it. I remember I was going to do a whole video on the makings of this In-N-Out, but it took way too long for them to even start. I wonder if the cross palm trees are going to be like right in here somewhere. Get a shot of this now, because we're not going to see it like this in the future. You hear the guy right up. He's up there doing his thing. There's the drive-through. Over here at the Anaheim Plaza, let's check out this In-N-Out burger. What we got going on there? Hey, look, they got electric car chargings up there. Trip out. Right here's gonna be where you enter. Yeah, check it out. It's gonna be the parking area. Be the start off of the drive-thru over here. The wide shot, sun's getting ready to set. Yep, big parking lot. Looks like they got the lights on inside. Let's go over there and take a look. That fire hydrant sign faded out since they started to build this In-N-Out. What the chargers look like with the back part off of them. Here's one with the cover on it. Put all that back down in through there. Bunch of boulders and stuff. This was the side of the Marie Callender's. They tore that down like a year and a half ago. Lights are on inside. In-N-Out burger sign. In-N-Out burger sign is actually flat. It's not actually three-dimensional like most of them. It's probably a modern LED one. Almost ready to go though. Rather's inside the kitchen. Zoom in one more time. Yep. In-N-Out burger coming soon. There's the cross palm trees before they've been snipped and opened up. Drive through before anybody's ever been in it. There's a straight on shot going through. Anaheim Plaza back in the background. Brand new In-N-Out burger sign. Like I say, it's actually flat. There's inside one of the windows. Top window's not even in it. Let's see if we can zoom into it. Looks like all the shrubs are kind of getting put in. The boulders are being put in. There's the address. 540 Euclid Street. It's got to be North Euclid though. Pretty sure I'm more on the north side than anything else. Pretty long drive-through. See if we can zoom in down over here to the inside, see what happens. Yep, lights are on. go. Update of the In-N-Out Burger here in Anaheim. And they're even going to match the size of the palm trees. Those ones in the In-N-Out lot have not even been opened up yet. Five Below over here, still nothing in it yet. You see the sign scar of the Five Below, which back in the day used to be Anchor Blue. Five Below. Oop, let's go. There's Five Below now. They moved all the way over there. And then the Burlington used to be what? Mervin's back in the day. Right, if you got this far in the video and you like this video, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. There's actually a Party City right around this corner going out of business, but they're playing too much music. Didn't want to go in there. So if you need a Party City, man, this is 40 to 75% off store closing, but there is a ton of merch inside that store, so they're not really going out all that fast. And I'll show you something that was something to do with the In-N-Out over here by the Walmart. That's been up for at least a year and a half. All right, so right over here on that sign is right there. I'm going to show you something that was there at least a year and a half. But let me show you the shopping center first, which I'm not doing the whole shopping center. We're just going to go over to that directory over there. Look at this. Anaheim. Let's see, it starts right there. Anaheim Plaza. Nothing really new to show over here, except for that In-N-Out Burger, and the Party City's going out. But like I said, I'm not going to Party City only because they got too much music going on. Right, here we go. I remember seeing that thing over a year and a half ago. In-N-Out Burger coming soon. But here's kind of the stuff that's over here. Got glare because the sun's back behind me. Let's see if I can get it. Nope. Anyways, hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Right, just came out of Walmart. Got me some shopping. Hey, check it out. All the lights are on now. The Anaheim Plaza. Man, I don't know if this thing looks clear or not. Mine are blurry because I'm way up too close. And how can I change all those bulbs over here on the left? On the AAA building, or down here on the Petco building. Party City going out of business. Right, it's the longest video in the world. And here's the In-N-Out. Used to be Marie Calendar sitting right there. Check you in the next video.